And the Tally MSME Honours Award goes to... Behind every name announced is a journey of resilience, of sleepless nights, bold decisions, and the courage to keep building.
The kind of platform Cali has provided, it gives the assurance to the entrepreneurs like me that the path we have chosen is absolutely correct.
Across cities, across industries, in different walks of life, these are the entrepreneurs creating opportunities, strengthening communities, and shaping tomorrow.
The reason is not that you are getting an award, but the reason is you appreciate their contribution. You feel that they are very important for the society. You feel that they are doing a good job. And if you feel that, then this is something which should come automatically from you. So I strongly encourage that recognize people who are making a difference. Why not?
This is more than an award. It's a celebration of the spirit that keeps businesses moving. This is
Tally MSME Honours 2026.
Life is for learning, you are never too old. आपको कुछ ना कुछ प्रयत्न करना ही पड़ेगा.